But one of the stocks on our radar is Shakti Pumps. Vamakshi joins in to tell us more about that. But before going to Vamakshi, just look at Vodafone Idea, up around 6%. There was a flash that came by. September 19th is where the Supreme Court registry has been made to make a hearing on the AGR plea. Now, this does not mean that that will be accepted or not. Usually, these events are fairly binary. The street is going fairly optimistic into that one. In fact, over the last month or so, the stock has rallied about 32%. So, on a low base, we'll watch out for how what the outcome of that Supreme Court hearing on that AGR plea would be. September 19th is the date to keep on your radar. But Vamakshi, Shakti Pumps.
Well, Shakti Pumps is doing quite well in trade today. Now, keep in mind that the company has received extremely strong response for its water pumping systems. Now, they received a letter of empanelment from the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company. This was on August 12th, and this was for supply as well as installation of nearly 34,720 off-grid DC solar photovoltaic water pumping systems. Now, this was under the Magel Tyala Saur Krishi Pump Yojana, or the PM Kusum B. Now, on August 27th of this year itself, the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company had opened its portal for the first tranche of the 10,000 water pumping systems, and this was fully booked by the farmers in just 1.5 hours. This is something that the company had reported earlier, and the total value of this tranche was somewhere around 269 crores. Now come to the announcement made by the company over the weekend. Now the MSEDCL had opened the portal for the second tranche, and this was for 12,451 water pumping systems. Now this again was fully booked by the farmers, and the tranche value that they had was around 347 crores. So therefore, these two tranches in a very short span of time have managed to push the order book of the company by around 616 crores. And as of August 1st, the order book stood at 1,350 crores. So huge boost coming in to the order book, and resultantly the stock is higher in trade today.
Okay, all right. And Shakti has done well, and some of the recent ones, right? Oswald Pumps, etc. And there are a few more coming to the market shortly. In the same space. Vamakshi, thank you very much for that. That's Shakti for you with the specific focus. Time for a